Chicken, why do you keep talking about going to the sewer?
That's where our trash goes.
You're not trash.
Thank you. That's what I'm saying.
No, you're not saying that.
I'm not?
No, you're the one always saying you should go to the sewer.
I feel like
I'm not
other
even sure
people
that's
are.
what Crane said.
Oh, I feel like other people are always saying. Wait a minute.
What?
You're saying, I don't know what other people think of me. I only know what I am thinking, what other people think of me. So in many ways I'm talking to the worst version of myself when I think what people think of me. Oh my God. That's freaking huge. That makes me want to do something for you.
No, you're already doing it. Yeah, you're already doing it.
Stop.
Yeah, you're already doing it. Yeah, you're already doing it.
Stop.
You are already doing it. Yes, yes, chicken, I knew it.
I feel so powerful when I think of me the way that I want me to be. I'm not worried about externally what I'm imagining people think about me.
Yes, you could do it. Do a little bit more. Yes, yes, you could do it. You could do a dinosaur.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah, you're doing it. Yes.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Stomp, Here, grab onto my tail feathers. This is the power in me. I'm gonna drop you on the roof. The roof is the coolest place to be.
Okay,
Just trust me.
I trust you, chicken.
You're gonna feel so cool on the roof.
Whoa,
Lightning.
the storm. Oh no, I'm so cold. I'm not at all warm.